Let me tell you what I love about this fifth wheel. First of all, it's a 101 inch wide body, which means you can fit more stuff in here. It also allows for deeper drawers, and the kitchen actually has slow close cabinets, a 6.5 foot solid surface countertop on that kitchen island, 4 burner cooktop, big 19 cubic foot fridge, and the bedroom space is fantastic with a walk around king bed. You have 3 ACs in this coach to keep you nice and cool. And obviously the main feature is right here in the front bath, where you have great storage and washer dryer prep.